Okay, welcome back to the next video. And as I mentioned before, Webfire 3.0 does present to you, I should say, a suite of SEO tools, and I like to call it a DIY SEO kit here. And one of the other tools that I'm going to show you now is the keyword density tool. So this allows you to analyze your keyword density. So those of you that are not familiar with keyword density, it is pretty much the percentage of times a keyword appears in a body of text. Okay, so search engines recommend a density between 1 and 4% for a keyword that you're targeting. Sometimes, something higher than 4%, having a keyword density of more than 4% can be seen as gaming, and it can actually harm your rankings. Okay, so it's important to be mindful of that. So all you need to do, and I've just popped in my URL on my of my website, and the amount of combination, so word combinations here. So I've limited it to only 3 words, and I'm just gonna, so that could be like make money online now, for example. That's 3 words. Or SEO toolkit, for example. So I'm going to check the keyword density, and we're going to let it do its thing. It was quite quick last time I ran this, so hopefully I won't have to pause the video, and we'll get there soon. I will pause it just to save you a bit of time. Okay, so we've come back and they've found the total words of being 4. There's a score here of 1,450, and as you can see, the ones that have got good keyword density are in green. There is a lot here that I don't have, that I need to improve my site on, that are well below the 1 to 4%. Okay, so it's a great tool to analyze your keyword density, and I'm sure it will definitely help your search engine optimization once you get this right. Okay, so it'll help with your ranking on the websites. Okay, so that's me for this video. I'm going to go to the next one where I'll reveal another SEO tool. Thank you.